good with it, y'all? It's your boy back again with another video. Today we're just linking up. It's early in the morning. It's not 12 o'clock. I think it's about like 7 o'clock in the morning right now. I'm about to link up with a couple of friends and a fellow YouTuber, and we're gonna go out and get some rollers and all that. We're gonna be on the freeway. We're gonna be on a windy road, so it's gonna be some cool things we're gonna do today. I'm gonna try to get some clean shots for you guys, but right now I need to go get some gas. So I need to go meet up with my boy AJ right now, right down the street. Gotta get some gas real quick. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you subscribe, hit notifications for your boy, and smack that like button. And if you can comment, go ahead and comment. I always appreciate the support, you guys. Let's get into it. Look at it. Ooh. Look at his car though, clean. Oh! I just scraped hella hard. Sheesh, look at it. 91. I've been wanting to trade my car in so bad. I can't do it. Fellow YouTuber right here, Shadow XO, right?
Yeah, Shadow XO.
Shadow XO. He brought out his Stanger Banger.
Yeah, that's right. Well, that's what I usually call it. I don't know if you guys remember, but I was in his previous video and this thing had the lip broken.
Oh, the broken lip. Oh yeah, he got a brand new lip on it now. Looking real nice, looking real good.
It's looking a lot better than how it used to.
Yeah, this is it. We all out here with the Mustangs. We got AJ right here. He's got his S550. We got the S197. And what did they call the...
These are new edges.
The new edge. And we got a new edge.
They're a SM95 platform, but the body lines are they're like a lot sharper, so they're called new edge.
Okay.
Yeah.
Beautiful car, beautiful car.
Or they're also known as 2 valves.
2 valves? Okay, 2 valves. I almost called it a 3 valve, no, but it's a 2 valve. Okay. Because I didn't know what to call it. I was gonna say 2 valve at first, but then I was like, huh, wait a minute. Yeah. All right, you guys, we're getting some nice rollers in. AJ, he's not driving his car right now. We actually have Shadow driving AJ's car right now. I'm trying to see where you could see him at. There we go. Probably see him in the mirror right now. And we got AJ doing the pictures right now.
Flies out.
Don't have your AirPods fly out again. His AirPods actually flew out the window, and we had to do a quick stop because his AirPod flew away from him. We got Shadow driving. They trying to race.
I think mine is louder on the like.
It sound like it, yeah. It's way louder. It's way louder. He takes the cake, bro. His shit, I don't know, bro. It's like damn near the same.
All right, let's go.
You guys let me know which one's louder. Which one's louder? Treasure Island right now.
You know what I'm saying?
We pulled over. He needed to take the scoop off so you get more airflow in there.
Look, them turbos, bro. I need them turbos.
Them
to
turbos.
be a little.
You know, it'd be funny if you put at a car meet or something. If you put a paper down and put turbo for the twin turbo, just a paper, write it down on there. Pulled over and let the cars have a little break because we were just dogging the hell out of them. Dude, everybody was fucking like staring at us.
I know. Well, it's more like you guys because you guys have the nicer cars.
Hell no. I mean, yeah, but your car is like, you guys seen it in the video. Let me know which car is louder. I feel like the 2V is louder. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like, yeah, dude, the popping and all that, like, man.
It sounds nice, huh?
It honestly, it sounds like you have two-step.
Yeah, no, it's you know, I think the car is tuned.
You think so?
Yeah, I think so. Dude, this thing is not 265 horsepower that 2 valves came with.
There's no way, dude.
No.
The way you got off, like, next to me.
I don't think so. Because I kept up in your rear bumper for the most part.
Yeah.
Obviously, you know, you take off on me, but not as bad as, you know, as if this car.
As if it was stock, yeah?
265 or 275 that this car comes with. And I think it's pushing a healthy 320.
Shoot, let the viewers know what you've done to it. What have you done to it?
Well, cosmetically, I've done the side skirts, the little diffuser. I have the Cobra bumper, Cobra wing, tints, painted calipers, wheels, exhaust tips. I did. We come over here to the front. I just took the scoop off. That comes standard on the car. But I got the 01 Cobra bumper on. I got the little horse emblem on, and I got the little the side like the side canards like in the GT500. Although they're not meant for this car, I still put them on because I think they look sick. It
looks unique. You know, you never see, you know, a 2V or a new Edge with, you know, something from a newer Mustang, you know?
Exactly. So I slapped that on. The headlights are different. I'm still gonna swap those out, and I have new taillights coming in. And as far as the engine, I don't know if you guys got from the previous clip, but it has a JLT intake. It has no muffler, and it has a bigger throttle body on the car for the intake. I think it's an adapter. It has an adapter for the intake basically. And I personally believe, I don't know, but I think the car is tuned because the previous owner gave me the car with gauges, and this car does not feel like it's pushing through 265 horsepower. Now I have a Camaro at home, so I know what like the difference between my Honda, because I also have a Honda that only makes around 200 horsepower, to 480 horsepower that my Camaro has. So this thing sits like right in the middle. I don't think it's making just 265 horsepower.
Can't be.
No.
Not if you're used to driving like every, you know.
Yeah, no.
And you said you have gauges in here?
Yeah, they're not connected, however, but that's why I'm like guessing that, you know, this car is tuned because
he was paying attention to oil pressure and water. Yeah.
No. Yeah. It's a nice car. I mean, it's for a little 2-valve, a Bullet. It's a really nice car.
Really clean.
It's lowered. The springs, I don't know what brand they are. However, I do want to swap them for some like Raceland coilovers. I heard those.
Oh, Raceland, yeah. Raceland is good.
I heard those are really good for these kind of cars.
Yeah.
They're cheap. They're only like $600. $600
to $700, yeah.
So that's what I'm looking, you know, forward to in the near future, maybe a year. Tomorrow I'm actually getting brand new taillights for it. I'm gonna look like the S550s right here. However,
I think those are called like the Euro.
Yeah, they're like the Euros, except mine would have like the ugly looking reverse lights down here, so I'm gonna just spray paint that black. My subscribers have seen that in my channel, so you know, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It's a Shadow XO.
I'll leave it down below for you guys to look at it.
And I'll tag in my channel. I'll tag your.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah. And we got our boy Citrus right here with the sick ass car.
Yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to him. And we got AJ's car right here.
Look at the pretty boy.
He doesn't like the camera. It's okay. He's got a lot done to his car as well.
Yeah, you know, your basic, not your basic S550.
Yeah, I wouldn't say basic S550.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't say basic at all.
His interior is pretty clean.
Dude, his interior is not just clean, dude.
Dude.
It's surreal. You guys got the carbon pieces.
Carbon fiber.
My car doesn't come with the carbon. My car's too old.
You can get carbon though.
For the Camaro, yes, not for this.
No?
No, this is really hard to find a carbon piece. Just don't get the interior because
That's too late, man.
It's messy, but oh, you already got it early?
Yeah, dude, I was walking by and I hella like looked into it.
We've been taking rollers, so we've been stepping on dirt and all that stuff. It's a mess.
It's okay, mine is not messy, never mind.
I'm thinking about getting something like this for Michael.
The street arrow?
Yeah, the diffuser.
Those are clean.
I feel like it'll...
I thought you had... See, I don't know why I thought you had some.
I did have a diffuser on this. Except...
You took it off?
Yeah, I took it off because for some reason, like, the way that it sits, it just doesn't sit straight. And I like my things straight. I know the car is dirty and all, but like I like, you know, at least so that it looks visually okay. Yeah. And the one that I had, one of them was like tilted and the other one was straight, and it was just a big mess. Maybe I reinstall it and do a better job, but this one looks really nice. I told him already to get the quad. The quad tips and
on his, or
yeah, like the GT500 valence.
It would be clean with some quad tips, but then as you look at it, how would it go with like that?
No, it's a completely different valence for quad tips, because he'd have to get either the 350 or the 500 valence, the GT500. Those things go hard, and he can get quad tips, and it'll sound a little bit louder, I've heard. I don't know, because like when I got my quad tips put on, it made the car a little more like deeper tone, like you know what Roush sounds like, right? Yeah. Like with the single tips. Yeah. So it has a more of a hollow chambered sound when you have just the single tips on the Roush. Yeah. When I put the quad tips on it, it kind of made it more of a deep sound to it, and I didn't really like it. Yeah. I don't know. I'm thinking about swapping the whole bumper. That's what I was thinking about doing, and then putting the GT500 one on there. Yeah, the 14. Yeah. Yeah, but at the same time, I don't want to change it up too much, because I want people to still look at the car and know that it's a 2011 Mustang GT. Yeah. I don't want to make it into a car that it really isn't, All right, you guys, so right now we all just got back in the car. We're gonna go head down the street a little bit. We're actually at Treasure Island right now. We're gonna go head down the street a little bit and take some pictures of the cars. That's pretty much what we've been doing all day, is taking some pictures, getting some content in for Instagram, and just hanging out, talking about each other's cars and all that. It's pretty cool. It's not every day that you see 3 generations of Mustangs cruising together. We got the New Edge, the SO97, and the S550. So pretty clean lineup so far. So we're just cruising in a nice open area. We're gonna go take some pictures. Look at this view right here, guys. So we're currently at, like I said, we're currently at Treasure Island. Everybody goes, a lot of car guys go here, car people go here to take some really nice pictures. When I park, I'm gonna give you guys a closer look at it. Check it out, you guys. This is the guy right here that works all the works all the magic. Was he gonna swing? Is he gonna swing it? Oh my God, stupid! Oh, you're going crazy! He's going stupid! Oh, look at him! He's going stupid! Oh! Look at it! Oh my God. All right, you guys, so that'll be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Much appreciated to everyone who, my boys, for letting me record their cars and record them. Had a good time just hanging out and all that. We're gonna go get more pictures and all that, but I think I got enough clips today to show you guys a good video. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit notifications for your boy. Comment down in the comment section if you have time. I appreciate it. Your boy 5.0 Bobo out. Peace.